if you want to open the recovery mode on Nintendo Switch 2, first of all we need to turn off our console. So we're gonna press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until we see the power menu. There we go. Go to power options and power off. After that, once the console is completely off, we will need to press and hold both volume buttons. Let me try to get the focus over here. So we're gonna press and hold both buttons at the same time, both volume buttons, and while holding these two buttons, we're gonna press the power button once, and then keep holding these two volume buttons until you are actually in the recovery mode. So we're gonna press and hold both volume buttons, and then press power on once. So the console will turn on. I'm just gonna hold it like this because it is quite uncomfortable to actually use it otherwise. But as you can see, we have the logo, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.